Hello, and good morning. So I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to use the card since we don't use it. And this is what the card looks like. And on the back, you can see where you're supposed to place the card. So basically, the little unlock lock is the screen inside the car, and you'll put the card right there on the console. So anyways, you're going to walk up to the car. To unlock it with the card, you put it right there. Well, halfway, sorry, right there. Okay, that will swing out the mirrors. That means it's unlocked. You push here to open the door. Okay? All right. So now I'm going to show you how to use everything in the car. So everything is controlled, of course, by the screen. Oh, yeah. You're going to put the card right here. Okay? So basically right there. All right? Okay. So to put the car in drive, you're going to put your foot on the pedal. It's going to adjust the steering wheel to whoever's programmed to. With the card, I don't know whose profile it's going to go to. And then if you look right there, just like a normal car. So you're going to push it down once, and that's now in drive. Okay? All right, and then if you hit the accelerator, you're going to go forward. Okay, for reverse, once you go up, it's going to reveal it right there. And then it'll go backwards for you, okay? If you need to go in neutral for any reason, just foot on the brake, a little bit up or a little bit down. See the N, it's on neutral. That means the car will roll freely, okay? Now, to put it in park, you're gonna hit that button right there. See the P? You're gonna push in on it. That puts it in park, okay? All right, the seat will go back down, and it'll go back down to normal. Now, let's go to the other side, okay? So the other side controller is right there, and it pretty much tells you what it does. Let me fix this camera here. So this is gonna be your blinkers. So you can go up, that's gonna turn that on, so it's gonna be on for the right side. Down is the left side, okay? Now, to make the blinker go off, if it's stuck like that, you're just going to want to hit it again down, and that will turn the blinker off. Same thing for the other side. If the blinker's still on in the turning signal on your screen, go back to it, hit it again. Well, hit it again, not all the way up, just a little bit, and it'll turn it off, okay? Windshield wipers, very important if it's raining. Over here on the side, you see the pictures. The button on the end right here will turn your windshield wipers on. Now on the screen here, it will show you it's on auto. So if it's raining, it's going to automatically click on. Okay, they will turn on automatically. I'm going to hit it again so you can see it. Now, if you want it to go to speed number 1, then you'll hit the button twice and it'll go there. Or you can go to the screen and click on it. So just hit it again, go to the screen, oops, and you can put it on whatever speed you want to go to. But remember, you've got to go to here, press it once, and then it'll come on the screen. Okay? Now put it back on auto. Let me hit it again. Put it back on auto when you're done. All right? So it'll come on automatically if it's raining. Now we're going to go to these joysticks. Everything is, a lot of this is all controlled with the joystick, okay? So, your volume for your radio, this side,
my husband and I actually met
okay?
when I was in
You just roll it up and down, okay? All the way up,
We are now married for 13
all the way down, okay? Now, changing stations. You're gonna push, see these arrows? You're gonna push them just over to the side. Let me turn it up.
He would come to Austin and
And it goes to the next station. Okay? All right, so I'm going to go back down to here. What else should I show you on this? Okay. This side, do you need to know about? Nah, everything's good on this side. Your horn. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, so let's say, for instance, you want to see the stereo, okay? You're going to hit this button right here in the center. Hit that. Then you have a whole menu. You have navigation right there. For your stereo, where it says radio, you're going to push radio. So hit radio. Those are all the stations. These ones at the top are pre-programmed in the system, so when you toggle, it'll go to those pre-selected stations. Okay? All right, what else? That's important. AC. Very important. So right where it says low, you're going to hit that. It's going to come up with all this information here. Okay? Let's say, for instance, if you need to use the defrost, you can hit that. To turn it off, hit that. Okay? To increase the speed, you can hit low, or to make it warm or cold. Okay? Over here on the numbers, you can hit it like this, and it'll turn it up to fast speed. Now, one thing that's pretty neat, if you go back over here to the toggle, and you press in and hold the toggle, it will bring up the screen, and you can control the airspeed with the toggle. See how it's turning down? And then you can turn it back up. Now it's back on 10. Now watch, I'm doing it with the toggle. I know it's a lot to take in, but this is all the features. It's all controlled by this screen and these toggles, okay? What else? I think that would get you through everything. You just got to remember, when you're driving, it's got self-braking, okay? So when you let off the pedal, it's going to automatically slow down, okay? You really don't even have to use the brake pedal at all. So just let off the brake or let off the accelerator and the car will automatically slow down. It'll automatically come to a complete stop. All right. What else? And then of course you'll want to charge it every day, just like normal. Whenever you back in, just plug it into that car port right there. You basically either can push on the gate of it, or you can hit this little lightning bolt and it'll open up as well. Okay. Any other questions? Just let us know.